Is your Nissan Rogue refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps or music? Statistically, most connection failures are just simple cable or software handshake errors that take seconds to resolve. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by swapping your cable for a genuine Apple cord and checking your phone port for debris. If hardware is fine, try forgetting the car from your iPhone Bluetooth menu and refreshing your Siri settings. You can also force a reboot of the Nissan head unit by holding the power volume button until the logo reappears. Try these software resets first, but if the USB port itself feels loose or damaged, it might be time for a professional. Replacing a faulty USB module is a common hardware fix that costs significantly less than a full head unit replacement. For advanced troubleshooting, check your fuse box for blown audio circuits or look for official firmware updates on the Nissan owner portal. Keep a high-quality cable and a simple port cleaning tool in your glove box to resolve issues on the go. Remember, tech is great, but 90% of the time, a bad connection is simply a bad cable. If you are still experiencing issues, drop your Rogue year in the comments and subscribe for more fixes.